Imagine standing in the middle of a landscape where hundreds of mysterious, chocolate-colored mounds rise like ancient sentinels against the sky. These are the Chocolate Hills, a natural wonder that defies easy explanation. Their charm lies not only in their unique shape, but also in the legends that swirl around them. Let's unravel the secrets of these hills, where folklore and geology are intertwined. The Chocolate Hills are located on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. Spanning about 50 square kilometers, these conical wonders adorn the towns of Carmen, Butuan, and Sagbayan. But how did they come to be? Millions of years ago, from the late Pliocene to the early Pleistocene, Bohol was underwater. In the lap of the Bohol Sea, marine life and coral reefs developed over time. As the Earth's tectonic forces moved and sea levels changed, these ancient coral reefs were pushed upwards, forming a vast limestone plateau. Rainwater and erosion later transformed this plateau into the Chocolate Hills we see today. Formed from soluble limestone, the hills continue to develop today, shaped by rain, wind, and time. More than 1,200 conical mounds, ranging in height from 30 to 50 meters, dot the landscape. Each hill is a grass-covered limestone dome resembling giant chocolate candies. The largest peak has an impressive height of 120 meters. During the dry season, the green grass of the hills dries to a rich shade of brown, hence the name Chocolate Hills. Their ever-changing color palette adds to their mystery. Like many mysterious natural formations, there are various legends and stories about the Chocolate Hills. One of them is the Fight of the Giants. Legend has it that two giants once threw stones, mud, and sand at each other across Bohol. Their epic battle lasted for days and left them exhausted. Unbeknownst to them, their wreckage converged in the Chocolate Hills, a testament to their powerful feud. According to a more poignant story, Arogo, a powerful giant, fell in love with the mortal Aloya. When Aloya died, Arogo's tears fell to the ground and formed hills. His grief brought these hills into existence. My favorite story paints a fun scene. Giant children molded mud and sand cakes in a coconut shell and left them to bake in the sun. When they returned later, they found that their creations had turned into chocolate hills, a reflection of their innocent creativity. The Chocolate Hills are not only a geological miracle, but also a symbol of harmony between human and nature. Their preservation reminds us of the importance of environmental stewardship. Next time you look at these brown mounds, remember the mythical giants, the tears and the playful children who shaped these unique natural wonders. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts, and subscribe to support the channel.